Okay, this is Ken Stanley. I'm going to show you some ways that we've made it easy for you to message your friends to make sure they're registered at their current address. And I've started by, I've opened up my spreadsheet. Mine says Ken Stanley's voter registration spreadsheet. Yours will say something like that. And I'm going to message my friend Vanita Shoulders, who is, she's about 58. She lives, that might not be her address. I'm not sure, so that's why we're going to ask her. And this is the message that I'm going to send to her. And you'll see that the things that are in green are things you can change. So you could actually change this address, this message here, but I'm going to go ahead and use that. And the things in pink are the things that you're going to want to click and send to her. So we're going to copy that into the clipboard. We're going to copy it into the clipboard by Command-C or Command-C on an Apple, Control-C on a Mac. Or if you prefer, you can come up here on Edit and you can copy that with that copy command there. Then we're going to click on Vanita's address, click on that link, and that's going to bring up into her Facebook page. Then we're going to click on Message, and I'm just going to go right ahead and send that message to her. I'm working with some of our friends here in Mansfield to make sure that we are all registered to vote so that we can defeat Trump. You're registered at 252 Park Avenue, East Mansfield. Is that your correct address? Yeah. And meanwhile, while we wait to see if she's able to see that and respond, we're going to come back here, and I'm going to show you a couple other things. This is another message in pink. That's what we're going to send to her if it says, could you register to vote online right now? Here is the link, and you're going to send that, and then we'll separately send this as a link, although we might be able to just do Control-C, send both of them. Okay, great. So Vanita has responded. She says, hi, Ken, thanks for your efforts. No, that's not my correct address. How do I fix it? Well, funny you should ask. We're going to come back here. Since we've already hit Control-C, we're going to get Control-C. There it is. Control-V. I'm sorry, we've pasted it in here. Now we're sent it to her, and you see that link. You can see that the link has gone to her because it's gone in. And that's really all there is to it. But not quite all there is to it. Now I want to come back here, and I want to say, okay, today is July 6th. So I'm going to enter July 6th, 7/6, as the date that I sent that message. And of course, then it'll go on down. And the next one on my list is Rebecca Crawford, and I could repeat the same process with Rebecca, but we're going to stop right there.